Welcome back to Storytime Inspirations, where we share stories that touch the heart and inspire the soul. Today's story is about the power inside each of us. It is told in the first person, as if you were walking through the journey yourself. The story is called Falling Down, Standing Tall Again. Let's begin. I used to think that failing was the end. I thought life was simple. You try and you win. But life showed me that it doesn't always work that way. The first time I really failed was in school. I studied very hard for an important test. But when the results came, my name was not on the list of students who passed. My classmates were smiling and celebrating. I stood quietly in the back, holding nothing. My heart felt heavy. I thought, maybe I'm not good enough. That night, I wanted to give up. I thought, why try again if I will only fail? But deep inside, a small voice said, "This is not the end. This is only the beginning." At first, failure felt too heavy, like a rock on my back. But after some time, I understood something. I had two choices. I could stay down and feel sorry for myself, or I could use the failure to grow stronger. I asked myself, why did I fail? The truth was, it wasn't because I wasn't smart. It was because I didn't prepare in the right way. I memorized answers, but didn't really understand them. I studied alone when I could have asked for help. Failure was not there to punish me. It was there to teach me. So I decided to try again. This time, I changed how I worked. I asked questions in class, even when I felt shy. I studied with friends and learned from them. I gave myself time to rest so I wouldn't get too tired. It wasn't easy. There were days when I wanted to stop, but each time I thought about quitting, I told myself, stand up, keep going. Slowly, I felt stronger. The next year, I took the exam again. When the results came out, my name was there. I had passed, and not just passed, I was one of the top students. But the paper in my hand was not the real prize. The real prize was knowing that I had fallen down and gotten back up again. Since then, I have failed many more times. I didn't always get the jobs I wanted. Some plans I made fell apart. But now, I see failure differently. It is not the end of the road. It is just a turn in the road. When I look back, I feel thankful for my failures. Without them, I would never have learned how to stand up again. I would never have learned that the strongest people are not the ones who never fall. The strongest people are the ones who rise every single time. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. So, when life pushes you down, remember this: it is only a test to see how strong you are. Do not fear failure. Fear not trying at all. Thank you for listening to Falling Down, Standing Tall Again. Remember, failure is not the end. It is the lesson that helps us grow. If this story touched you, share it with someone who might need encouragement today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational stories. Until next time, keep learning, keep rising, and keep believing in yourself.